Nowadays, your customers are increasingly demanding and expect a high degree of individualization and diversity from you. Long setup processes on the edge banding machine can be made profitable and productive with intelligent technology. Automated setup processes combined with the right digitized processes for you offer maximum workload reduction, not least with perfect zero joints. Completely in line with the trend Industry 4.0. The LUMINA Industry series from HOLZ ensures this for you. 3 frame variants with different machine lengths offer space for all common machining units, as well as for special units for grooving, sanding, or for solid wood applications. The LUMINA Industry models embody the complete HOLZ cutting-edge technology from over 50 years of experience in the field of edge banding technology, whether with conventional edge bands or laser edge bands with a functional layer. With a variable feed rate of 10 to 25 meters per minute, the LUMINA always selects the perfect feed rate for any application. Perfect workpiece transport is provided by a heavy-duty transport chain in combination with one synchronously driven compound V-belt, which ensures constant workpiece guidance without any slip. With edge thicknesses from 0.4 to 20 mm and board thicknesses from 8 to 60 mm, it covers an enormous range of applications while remaining flexible and productive. LUMINA machines feature a large 18.5-inch touchscreen control panel. It can be rotated and swiveled to allow ergonomic operation in any position. Inside works a state-of-the-art Linux industrial computer, which is specially optimized for the needs of our edge banding machines and can be connected to your network for online maintenance, for example. An extensive program memory with the complete recording of all operating data, as well as service messages in plain text, are standard. An individual user administration with password protection and individual authorizations can be set up for your needs. For example, the apprentice can use all programs but has no authorization to modify them, while you as administrator have access to the complete operating spectrum. Last but not least, for ease of operation, aggregates can be set via intelligent interactive graphics. The desired tool position for the application is selected on the graphic and the axes move the aggregates into position fully automatically. This position is then stored and can be recalled with repeat accuracy at any time. Of course, the program can be automatically selected digitally and networked with your industry software at the machine. All the information previously defined in the work preparation process is sent to the operator via a barcode label. In the graphic, the operator sees all 4 edges to be processed with individual QR codes for each edge. By scanning the individual codes, the machine converts fully automatically to the respective edge-specific processing. This automatically takes into account a wide variety of processing operations, print settings, and different edge types. Best of all, the operator only has to insert the plate into the machine and off it goes. On the LUMINA Industry, patented milling cuttings with airstream technology are used, which are characterized by low noise emission. The prominent holes in the base body of the Diamax Airstream jointing cutter are clearly visible. They guide the airflow directly into the extraction system and ensure a chip capture rate of 99%. The chip guidance is coordinated between the tool and the machine extraction system in such a way that hardly any unnecessary air turbulence occurs. This prevents double chip removal and significantly increases the service life of the milling cutters. In addition, the new HSK fixture ensures perfect concentricity and thus sustainably protects the motor, bearing and cutter. For optimum cutting-edge utilization, the unit is equipped with 2 motorized axes. Your customers are demanding more and more individuality and material diversity. To be able to implement this productively and flexibly, modern companies can no longer do without the multi-profile technology of the LUMINA industry from HOLZ. Inside the LUMINA industry are units with backlash-free mechanisms and high-precision, fully digital NC servo axes that ensure positioning with 100% repeatability. The machine is equipped with multifunctional tools throughout. The respective profile on the Diamond multi-stage tool is selected via an 18.5-inch touchscreen in broadband format, and the unit moves into position fully automatically. The new NC drives and backlash-free mechanics are also integrated in the twin-motor mold milling unit. The form milling unit can change over up to 4 different profiles via the fully automatic quattro form turret change with absolute repeat accuracy. The fully automatic revolving scraper unit adds the finishing touch. 5 different profiles can be selected in the revolving tool magazine at the touch of a button. The turret can be individually equipped with standard carbide scraper blades and completes the universal multifunctional equipment with multiple stage tools and revolving tool magazine on the LUMINA. In addition to the standard magazine, the LUMINA industry can be equipped with a multiple edge magazine. The multiple magazine always automatically selects the right edging material for your processing. The magazine has 6 different channels that are able to operate completely independently of edge thickness and height. There is also one joker that is a free additional channel for your edges in between. This allows smaller jobs to be fed in flexibly at any time without interfering with the fixed sequence of the multiple magazine. The multiple magazine is also able to cycle automatically between the different channels. This means that you can, for example, fill channel 1 and 2 with identical edging material. As soon as channel 1 runs empty, the system automatically switches to channel 2. This allows you to produce continuously without interruption. The empty compartment can now be filled with a new edge roll and is immediately ready for use again. The heart of the LUMINA is, of course, our unique GlueJet adhesive application system. With GlueJet, you process commercial adhesive cartridges or adhesive granules in series with EVA or waterproof polyurethane adhesives as required in an unmatched quality with 0 joint. The machine is ready for operation in just 3 minutes and cools down just as quickly. The short heat-up time and low energy consumption make the LUMINA a pioneer in energy efficiency. GlueJet is used to press the adhesive into the plate structure under high pressure. Due to the 90-degree squeeze division 1mm grid, for example, 19 adhesive strips are applied with high precision on a 19mm panel. During subsequent pressing at the printing unit, the adhesive can now spread within the narrow surface from the mountain to the valley without swelling at the top and bottom, thus creating a clean optical 0 joint. At the same time, this process ensures a high-strength connection. The standard unloading device with high-precision HSK interface also makes the GlueJet station even easier to clean. The big GlueJet 2K is specially designed for professional processing of high qualities of PUR or EVA granules adhesive. With the GlueJet 2K, you can process cheaper, commercially available 2 kg adhesive cartridges. The investment is worthwhile from consumption volumes of circa 500 kilograms of PUR glue per year, i.e., for customers with an average of 2 kilograms of glue consumption per day. The large GlueJet station has an enormous melting capacity of 12 kilograms per hour and is also ready for operation within 3 minutes after changeover. Cleaning the system is child's play via a flushing routine completely guided by the control system. PUR adhesive can remain in the adhesive station for up to 48 hours. After that, usually before the weekend, the complete system is fully flushed automatically with the correct pressure, temperature and amount of cleaner and is then neutralized and tip-top clean. Handling polyurethane adhesives could not be easier or safer, making GlueJet the best system for processing PUR on the market. LUMINA industry machines can be equipped with up to more than 30 high-speed NC servo axes. A wide variety of applications can thus be selected at the touch of a button and at any time with repeat accuracy without opening the hood. Setup times, rejects and test workpieces are reduced to a minimum with LUMINA machines. The FAST system, newly developed by HOLZ here. FAST system, fast setting technology, or also setting up in the gap, you do not want to miss on a state-of-the-art edgebander. For example, the corner copying unit can be switched on intelligently without having to empty the machine for the market-ready process. With FAST, you can run different machining operations simultaneously in the edge banding machine. The fast high-speed servo axes, which move the units into position for this function at lightning speed, are indispensable here. This will really get your production going, and you will be able to produce with the LUMINA industry in continuous operation, and that in excellent quality with zero joint. High gloss panels with matching high gloss edges or even matte, sensitive surfaces continue to be in vogue. With high gloss panels, for example, the thickness of the protective film can be compensated to the 100th of a millimeter. The protective film can remain on the furniture until final assembly. After removing the film, you have a flawless result because the edge is perfectly flush with the workpiece. The machining tools can be moved perfectly into position for thin edges, 1 or 2 millimeter plastic edges. Machining with a chamfer is also possible. Even the selection for machining with and without overhang during milling is possible without any problems. Via the air cushion table, even heavy workpieces can be loaded into the machine easily and ergonomically. This allows the operator to concentrate on parallel feeding of the workpieces at all times, regardless of their size and weight. With the small part feeder, you can always perfectly feed small and narrow workpieces into the machine at a 90-degree angle. The small parts guide guides the workpiece completely until it is transferred to the machine and then automatically returns to the operator. The edge banding machine is crucial for the high-quality appearance of your furniture. Don't live any longer with compromises or encrusted adhesive melting pools. Bring clean, efficient and affordable edge banding technology at the highest level into your home with the LUMINA industry. The LUMINA industry, the efficient partner at your side.